Welcome back to our channel and our kitchen. Today, Scott is making buffalo chicken dip. So far he has taken 2 whole breasts of chicken, fried them a little bit, took them off, and then cut them into little pieces. And now we got them in here cooking. Well, he has them in here cooking, but he's got a little helper. The little chubby cat thinks that he wants some chicken. Looks like you added maybe some jalapenos in there and some spices.
Jalapenos, some minced garlic, some dehydrated onions, a little bit of onion powder, salt and pepper, a little bit of Worcestershire.
That's what we got in there so far?
Yep. And you just kind of use it all as per taste. There is no real set amount. It's just, you go by how you want to flavor it, I guess.
Zeus says he would like his unflavored, just chicken flavored is fine.
And some chicken juice for the outside cats.
Oh.
He thinks he needs it, but he doesn't.
All right, so we're going to let that cook. Over here in the crock pot, we have 1 pack of cream cheese all cut up. So we got our chicken going on over here. He added a can of canned chicken as well.
2 cans.
Oh, 2 cans of canned chicken. See, that's why you make this.
I didn't put the other one in yet. I am adding a second.
He's gonna get that in there, and he's gonna spice it up some more with some zesty Italian and Worcestershire and who knows what all. He has secret ingredients, so I'm trying to steal them by this video. Got going on over here?
You got all the chicken in here now. I'll end up using probably like half to 3/4 of a bottle of Texas Pete is what I'm using this time. Just a regular hot sauce, it really doesn't matter. Frank's Red Hot Texas Pete. A whole bunch of ranch dressing.
Just mixing it and mixing it and mixing it.
Once I get that grated up.
Oh yeah, we have to grate our cheese to put in it this time because we bought blocked cheese because we have that new Guidel cheese grater. So we're going to shred real cheese and put in here instead of the shredded packed cheese. All right. So he's going to use this Guidel cheese grater. It's suctioned right on there. He put it all together himself, so it's simple to use.
Never used it and put it together myself, so it's pretty simple. I am a locksmith. I'm not completely dumb, but sometimes kitchen gadgets are a little too complex. You just suction it right down and just...
Holy shnikes! Holy! Look at that! That's amazing! Oh yeah, man, that is awesome.
I don't know how much of each one of these I'm going to use. I'm just going to do like maybe half at a time. Just click that little thing and just like that. Click it back down.
I have to see if this is poisoned before I give it to anybody. Nope. That's good. I'm dying. It's poisoned.
I don't think so.
Oh, dang it. So this one's an extra sharp cheddar, and that one is a white sharp cheddar.
Just 2 different kinds of cheese. I pretty much anything I put cheese in, I usually put 2 different kinds just to mix some flavors.
Man, that thing is fancy. It works so good. It spirals it up. That's fine. Awesome. So we're going to throw this right in his chicken mix over here, his buffalo chicken dip. Stir it all together, and we're going to let it cook a little bit in the crock pot. We're going to start it out on high, but then we'll probably turn it down. Oh man, look how delicious that looks. Buffalo chicken dip, top notch, kicking butt.